You have to poop immediately after you eat. If this happens to you, you're not alone. It's not because food is moving instantly throughout your GI tract. I'm a board certified gastroenterologist, so if you find these tips helpful, hit that follow button. When you eat and you feel like you have to use the restroom right after, there's something called the gastrocolic reflex. What this means is that when food enters your stomach stretches, and this sends signals to your brain, which then sends signals to your colon, begins to contract to make more room for the food. And that reflex makes you feel like you have to use the restroom right after you eat. Because your colon normally houses stool and water, the stuff that's actually coming out is old digested food and water. We think that people with IBS have a heightened sensitivity to this reflex, which is why certain people after they eat get really bad abdominal pain, cramping, and even diarrhea. The contractions of the colon can be very powerful and very forceful. This causes a problem for you. Some of the things that you can do to help this include adhering to something called a low FODMAP diet, which can give you a list of foods that may be causing your problems and try to avoid them. Other things that you can try to avoid include things like carbonated beverages, high sugary drinks, alcohol. Certain citrus foods can sometimes dairy as well, and fried or fatty foods. But everyone's different. There's no blanket recommendations on foods you should include or exclude. You're just going to have to try to keep a journal of foods that you know make things worse and try to mix and match and eliminate foods and then reintroduce them. See if this can help your symptoms.